Hey, there's Chris Williams with the Go Getter team, and we're doing another market update for the Metro Atlanta market. What you need to know is the median price point for February was $299,000, which is up from last year for sure, and definitely up from the end of last year in the fourth quarter. That means that the market is probably going to continue to ascend. We're watching very carefully what's happening in the federal government. Also, properties are going very quickly at 10 days on market median average before they go under contract. And also, you need to know there's 1.2 months of supply of inventory, which means it's a very aggressive seller's market. You still want to make sure you have your property in great condition, as we're seeing buyers are walking away from problems on homes. So you want to maybe have a walkthrough on your property just to see what needs to be done, or schedule something with an inspector. If you need somebody to help you figure out what needs to be done to your property to get you the most bang for your buck, you can schedule a free walkthrough with us at the Go Getter team. We'll be happy to come out and take a look at the property and point out anything to you. And if you want to go a step further and schedule something with an inspector, we have great partnerships with inspectors who do walkthroughs only with no report, very inexpensively, giving you an idea of what things a buyer may find and helping you be able to go under contract and stay under contract. Again, I'm Chris Williams with the Go Getter team. We look forward to seeing you at our next market update, if not sooner.